Ask me, dear, to sing you a song. I never sang a song before. I may go wrong. Well, I suppose the wise thing to do is to weave an air about the only thing I care about, think about and dream about the whole day through.
Honey, why does voice do that?
Plumbing, making life so sweet and so clean. Plumbing, giving us such moments serene. Oh, when do I miss my little home at the end of the garden path? Not when I need a mother's love, but when I need a bath. Plumbing, as the world revolves and revolves. Plumbing, what a lot of problems it solves. So why do the critics cry? It's so unbecoming.